If your dog is pregnant, congratulations. It's not easy. I know what I'm talking about. So dog owners keep crossing their dogs, in the hopes to to cause pregnancy in their females, to get baby dogs, to get puppies, and they've been doing this over time and time again, and they were not successful. So it's not easy to have a pregnant dog. I for one will tell you that it's not easy. Congratulations, brother. Now you've confirmed that your dog is pregnant. The next step is taking care of your dog. For a pregnant dog, you have to take absolute care, of the dog, so that you don't get to lose either the dog or the puppies. It's not funny to experience mortality in pregnant dogs. It's not easy. So the first thing you should take note of is nutrition. Nutrition of a pregnant dog is so different from that of an unpregnant dog. So what I'm trying to say is that you should the nutrition of a pregnant dog is top notch. Either you get the pregnant dog food for pregnant dogs. They have special foods for pregnant dogs, or if you can't get hold of that, please don't feed your pregnant dog normal adult food. Please go for puppy foods. Puppy foods are usually higher in calories, they're higher in nutrients that will help the forming puppies in the stomach grow and develop so well. Okay, so if you can't find in your area, if you can't find a pregnant dog's food, please go for puppy food. Puppy foods are usually richer, and then don't feed your pregnant dog large meals once a day or twice in a day. Keep feeding smaller meals frequently, because they might not have that, like I said, they have decreased appetite. They might not have that much of an appetite to finish a large meal at a go. So you see why I said you should give smaller meals, but frequently. They can eat it like 5 to 6 times in a day. Yeah, please be patient with your pregnant dog the same way you're patient with a pregnant woman. Is the same way you should be patient with your pregnant dog. The next one is exercise. You don't exercise a pregnant dog aggressively, or take the a pregnant dog out for doggies outdoor exercises. Please don't do that, because there might be an accident as they're playing. They might collide with each other and cause the puppies to die, which we don't ever want to hear that. So please practice moderate exercise. Don't over exercise your dogs, okay, so that you won't cause problems to the forming puppies in the abdomen. Okay, the next step is you know exercise are very good in that it helps the dog to be able to handle labor and then the pregnancy, the stress of pregnancy. The third step you should take in taking care of your puppies is to have a visit to a vet. The vet will conduct proper examination on your dog, on your pregnant dog, to ensure that your pregnant dog does not have any disease that will likely pass down to its puppies. There are some diseases like hookworms and roundworms that pregnant dogs can and are able to pass down to their puppies. But if you go to the vet and the vet examines your dog and finds out that they might have some parasites or other infections, they will have to treat your pregnant dog with an appropriate drug. Please only use medications prescribed by your veterinarian, by your vet doctor. Please don't go and start buying drugs. Don't prescribe for yourself, okay? Always take prescriptions from a veterinarian, okay? Then the next step, 3 weeks before your dog is going to give birth, and then 3 weeks after it must have given birth to its puppies, please make sure your dog is isolated. Don't let your dogs get in contact with other dogs, so that it does not stand the risk of getting herpes virus infection. Herpes virus infection is not usually good for for puppies, because if your dog gets infected by herpes virus, definitely deadly to puppies. Please stay, keep other dogs away from your dog. Let's organize the dog nesting environment where it's going to give birth. Help the dog make its bedding area comfortable. Try to put soft things, the bedding box, the bedding area. Try to make it as comfortable as possible. Dogs love nesting place. Nesting place is the area that your dog will go to give birth. Make the place as soft and as comfortable as you can. And the next one is to allow the dog plenty rest. Yes, everything should be done in moderation. Plenty rest, plenty moderate exercise. Please don't go overboard on these things, because this is a critical period in a dog's life. I hope with these few points you've learned at least enough to help you take care of your pregnant dog. If you have a question, please drop your questions in the comment section. I would love to read your questions, and I would love to read your contributions too. You have any contributions, anything you want to say on this topic, please, I am eager and anxious to hear from you too. All right, till my next video, take care.